Hola chicos, here we are. I'm going to show you a new experiment about plants. You know, we are working very hard on botany in plants. We have seen roots, we have seen the plants, and now we are on the leaves. So this experiment is about leaves and something how plants work, how they eat. Alright, so I'm going to show you my materials. For this experiment I have food coloring, nice, blue, azul y rojo, right? Colorante, azul y rojo. And I have a couple of jars right here on my favorite salsas, hot spicy salsas, right, that you know I enjoy a lot. So we have 2 jars and have los, I don't know the name in English, I'm pretty sure in Spanish it's claveles blancos, el clavel blanco. I'm going to put right here in 1 jar, right, let's see, and then second one right here. I want you to check this. There are different sizes, right? Esta es más pequeña que esta, que es más alta, ¿verdad? The jars also. Este es más alto, it's taller. Este es más pequeño, ¿verdad? Es smaller. Es más bajo, right? So now I'm going to put some food coloring, el colorante. Vamos a poner rojo para el bajo y azul para el alto, ¿ok? ¿Sí? Careful, let's drop. That is awesome, right? How it looks, love it. And then the blue, the effect is great, right? Let's see. Blue, also 3 drops. So we have the same amount of food coloring. These kind of things are very important. And I have a question for you later, right? But just to let you know, 3 drops of colorante rojo and 3 drops of colorante azul, all right? So let's move it a little bit. Let's move it right here a little bit. And basically, that's it. That is el experimento. I have some questions for you, right? What is your hypothesis? Or, in other words, what do you think is going to happen a los claveles blancos? What will happen? We just put water with colors, right? And here is a question: do you think the different sizes between the jars, right? The jars has different sizes. Is going to affect in some way this experiment? Yes? No? But important, why? Why do you think no or yes? All right. Funny question. How many smiley faces do you see in my whiteboard? All right. I hope you enjoy this experiment and observations. All right. See you in our Zoom meetings.